Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. The diameter of a solid right circular cylinder is equal to its height. After cutting out the largest possible solid sphere S from the cylinder, the remaining material is recast to form a solid sphere S1. What is the ratio of the radius of the sphere S to that of sphere S1? So let's try to visualize this in order to get the parameters correct. So it is given that this cylinder has diameter equal to its height. So this is the cylinder. So let's remove this. Yes. Now this is also moved. So we have a right circular cylinder with a diameter, that is 2r, equal to height, and the maximum largest possible sphere inside this cylinder will be something like this. It will have a diameter of 2r. This sphere will also have diameter of 2r. Therefore, let radius of cylinder be r. Therefore, height will be equal to 2r, and largest possible solid sphere, largest possible solid sphere will have radius equal to r. Now we know that this solid sphere is cut out of this cylinder and the remaining material is recast into another solid sphere. Therefore, we can have volume of cylinder equal to volume of S plus volume of S1. Now we know volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi rs square plus 4 by 3 pi rs1 square. Now let's put the values in here. R is r, h is 2r, so pi r square 2r equal to 4 by 3 pi. Rs is r, so r square, and we have to find the radius of this sphere, that is the sphere that is recast. So we'll keep this as 4 by 3 pi rs1 square. So this is going to be equal to, this is cube, this is rs cube, this is rs cube. Volume of a sphere is that of cube of radius, so order of cube of radius, so this is going to be cube in all of these three. Okay, so now we have 2 pi r cube equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube plus 4 by 3 pi rs1 cube. Now in order to find rs1, we'll need to take this over to this side. So this is equal to, let's see, 4 by 3 pi r s1 cube is equal to 2 pi r cube minus 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we have 4 by 3 pi rs1 cube equal to, this is 6 pi r cube minus 4 pi r cube divided by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. So if we compare the two, we can say that RS1 cube is equal to r cube by 2. Therefore, we get from here RS1 is equal to r divided by cube root of 2. Now let's look at the question. We are asked to find ratio of radius of sphere S to that of sphere S1. Now radius of sphere S is r and radius of sphere S1 is r by cube root of 2. Therefore ratio of radius of S, let's see, ratio of RS to RS1 is equal to RS divided by RS1. RS we know is R and RS1 is R by cube root of 2, which is equal to cube root of 2 divided by 1. Therefore ratio is equal to cube root of 2 is to 1. Let's look at the options. We have, yes, answer is option B.